Alright, I'm just gonna come back, make some videos. I've got a bunch of seed, we're gonna do that. The whole renovation process. I've been gone for a while. It was a rough year. Got a boat though, that's pretty cool. And I've got a really shitty yard. They're all dead. No cuts on this video, by the way. Tons of crabgrass. Spurge everywhere. We got crabgrass over here, Crabgrass City. And then we have Nutsedge City over here. Right there. Just keeps going and going and going. All the way over there. And all the way down the beauty strip over there. I spot treated for weeds all year, and I could not get rid of anything. So, front yard under the tree is good. Ironically, everywhere else, toast from the weather in June, and then now, of course, August, when it's always fairly dry and hot. Let's go to the backyard. Let's see some of that backyard. It's actually all right here, just a lot of spurge. Got this gate built. Didn't do a great job at that. We got this really cool watering thing I picked up for like $5 or something. So just so I can keep track of the water, which I didn't really do anything with that information. All right, backyard. We seeded the 365 back here like twice. It's better, maybe. I don't know. I don't know if it's better or not, but there's a lot of crabgrass. I didn't treat back here with pre-emergent, even though I did in the front yard. Got a lot of tall fescue coming in. A lot of dormancy over here. Got a huge slip and slide we've been playing with. Let's see, we got the Jacobson over there. Got the aerator working. I put a new, freaking mosquitoes, new fuel diaphragm on it, fuel pump, new carburetor, changed the gas, new spark plug, changed the oil. Runs, got to do a couple of quirks to it or whatever. So, still got the Gorilla cart kicking butt. What else we got going on? Tons of tomatoes growing up here. Just turn this thing around. Tons of tomatoes. Got our composters. We got some beans, some stuff that's bolting out over here. We got some okra. We got more beans, more tomatoes. We got some cherry tomatoes. We got some peppers, asparagus. Two little kids. Hi, two little kids. We got another composter going on over there. We've got inside of here, mixed in with the cherry tomatoes, we have tomatillos, which are pretty cool. We grew a bunch of onions. We grew a bunch of potatoes. We already pulled that crap up. What else we got going on? Got this sack from Myers, so I can put stuff in it when I pick it. Got a banana tree. Kind of cool. Put some stuff around here. Still working on it. Take my time with things. Got my Chapin right here. That thing's broken. Doesn't work. The battery sucks on it, so I bought a Husqvarna pump backpack sprayer that's going to do the job here tomorrow, and I'll make another video for that. What else we got going on? That's it. We got some wildfires back here. We actually had to put our dog down last year, about a year ago, and so we buried her there. We put some nice wildflowers. Continuing to work on this area a little bit. Can I say hi, Nora? There's Nora. She's in school now, so I've been around long enough that kids are in primary school. This little guy's strong as an ox. Pulling the wagon. All right, well, I'm coming back. I'm going to start making videos again. We got the aerator. We're going to aerate. I got to put some tenacity back here to get rid of some of the spurge and other leafy broadleaf stuff. Got to get some sand. There's my wife. All right, so we're going to put some perennial ryegrass down. I've got some mix from Twin City Seed. Not sponsored. And that's it. See you guys soon.